Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Ford Mustang Deluxe. This two-door convertible has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Ford has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and rear privacy glass. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.